Hi there, this is Justin with Goodland Plumbing. Today is Friday, October 3rd, 2025. Right now it's about 11:15 in the morning. We are here today at 255 9 Puesta del Sol for the Santa Barbara Museum of Natural History. We are continuing to jet and camera a series of sewer drains running from the courtyard bathrooms through the auditorium and down behind the CRC and auditorium buildings out to a city connection. Right now we are located at a cleanout on the back corner of the auditorium, between the auditorium and the tail of the whale exhibit. We're out about 90 feet at our city connection, I believe running down the pathway behind the auditorium. We're going to be pulling back against flow. This is a post-jetting recording. Previously, when inspecting the line, we had seen a good amount of scale buildup and rust debris built up at the bottom of the line. When we sent this, as we pull back here, we're going to get an updated version to see how well we were able to clear it out. Pulling back from this clay, we'll be transitioning to cast iron right here, about 89 feet out. As you guys can see, this cast iron is in relatively rough condition. I believe this section, like I said, is just running down the walkway in between the two buildings. I believe right here, about 67 feet, is we were getting hung up with a jetter a couple of times. I believe that's just due to a change in direction, as well as this rough cast iron. Like I said, we did jet this section of the line out numerous times with multiple different jetter heads. Going back here, so right here we might have a slight sag with some debris buildup in this zone. Pretty good amount of debris still right here. Turning back. Pulling back here around 26 feet, you can see we're pulling back into a possible another sag with a good amount of this rust buildup in there. here we're transitioning from CAS to ABS. As we come around this bend, we're going to start pulling up and out of our cleanout. This right here is our cleanout. I believe our line is just running out here and then headed down this pathway out towards our city connection, towards the manhole where it ties into the city. This is going to be us wrapping up the majority of the sewer line around this property. I do want to say that since jetting around here, it seems like the most problematic zones tend to be the cast iron around here just due to the age and condition. There's some really heavy rust buildup and scale buildup around the pipe, and when we come through to jet the line out, flushing this rust debris out of the system seems to be problematic due to us only being able to utilize one-way directional cleanouts going towards the downstream, out towards the city connection. When we were able to get to our city manhole, pop the lid on that, and actually jet upstream from there, we had seen major improvement in being able to clear out lots of rust and debris from the pipe itself. Because of that, we would like to recommend having more two-way cleanouts installed ideally. I think because we have one located where we're currently cameraing from, the next spot to install one would probably be in between here and our city connection, just so we could hopefully rake back from that point to here and clear out the rest of that debris. I believe for today this is going to be as good as we can get it. End of recording.